Hello. Many of you already know that I'm writing a book on how can we make manufacturing sexy. Honestly, I didn't know what I was getting myself into and what it actually takes to write a book. It all started with a discussion that I posted on LinkedIn last summer and with the overwhelming response that I received to this question. Two things were very clear to me at this moment. First, this question caught people's attention. And second, many people have a vested interest in creating a better reputation for this industry because they want to keep our wealth and prosperity in this country. I really have to thank a friend of mine who encouraged me to take on this project of research, learning, and educating myself, and to share my findings and unconventional insights to the marketplace through the printed pages of a book. Before I got started, I had to silence the negative little voice in my head. Who was I to write a book on this subject? Who will read a book like this written by a right-brained journalist? How could I offer a flash of inspiration to all the smart people in the industry? I'm happy that I managed to overcome this hurdle and I got started. I have met many interesting people in the interview process. But let me tell you, it not only requires a lot of structure and self-discipline, but more than anything else, it requires an open mind when asking questions. Speaking to inspiring CEOs who give me more than 1 hour of their time. Speaking to former union leaders, VPs, general managers, department managers, supervisors, team leaders, business owners, and workers has completely expanded my horizon. This project is very interesting, very time-consuming, very educational, and also a lot of fun. My original fear that this will be just another book that many people may not read is no longer my belief. This will be a fantastic book, easy to read, yet full of many insights and different perspectives. The focus of this book is entirely on our manufacturing leaders and employees and what they can do right now to make a difference and to have a positive impact. I don't believe in making excuses, whether it is the government, legal systems, culture, currency, or the cost to the market. There is no question that we have to deal with reality, but I believe in overcoming obstacles and in the power to make things happen. America and Canada has been always about overcoming obstacles. Let's start a movement. There is no doubt in my mind, if we start building something new, other people will follow. The most valuable advice I have received so far were the words of a CEO. He said to me, "Karin, with this book, you have to paint a vivid picture of how it could be. The book does not have to be perfect, but it has to inspire people." My goal is to have a minimum of 2,000 pre-sold copies of my book to make it easier for me to find a publisher. So, can I count on you? Remember, excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. And I will see you next week again. Until then, be the best you can be.